Freelancers, are you still doing everything manually in 2025? While others are making thousands with the help of AI tools, you might be falling behind without even knowing it. In this video, I'll reveal the best AI tools that are transforming how freelancers work, and more importantly, how they make money. Whether you're a designer, writer, marketer, or coder, these tools will give you a massive edge. Stay till the end because I'll share a bonus tool most freelancers have never even heard of, but it could double your income. Why freelancers need AI? Growing competition in freelancing. Clients demand faster delivery. Better quality AI is not a threat, it's your smart assistant. Automate repetitive tasks, scale your output, and increase income with less burnout. Over 75% of top-earning freelancers are now using at least one AI tool daily. Let's move towards the best AI tools in 2025. Let me show you how freelancers are using ChatGPT to save hours and make more money in 2025. Writers use it to generate blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions in seconds. Just type a topic and boom, instant content. Designers use ChatGPT to write creative briefs, pitch ideas, or generate client emails, fast and professional. Marketers, they're crafting ad copy, email campaigns, and even SEO content without burning out. And if you're into freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork, ChatGPT can help you write killer proposals that win more clients. It's not just a chatbot, it's your AI-powered assistant for planning, writing, and even thinking. Work smarter, earn faster. That's the ChatGPT advantage. Next up is a tool that literally gives your words a voice, 11 Labs. If you're a freelancer who creates content, courses, ads, audiobooks, or YouTube videos, this tool is a game changer. 11 Labs uses advanced AI to generate ultra-realistic human voices in seconds. You just paste your script, choose a voice, male, female, professional, casual, and it speaks your content with near-perfect emotion and clarity. It's perfect if you don't want to record your own voice or if you're not confident in front of a mic. Voiceover artists use it to save time. Content creators use it to scale production. And businesses use it to sound more professional, even on a budget. With 11 Labs, your voice is no longer a barrier. It's your superpower. Next up, Leonardo AI. If you're a creative freelancer, this is your secret weapon. Leonardo AI is a powerful image generation tool that lets you create stunning visuals, illustrations, logos, product shots, and concept art just by typing a prompt. Whether you're a graphic designer, content creator, or a marketer, Leonardo gives you high-quality images without needing Photoshop or hiring an artist. Need a book cover, a social media graphic, mock-ups for a client? Just describe it, and Leonardo generates it in seconds. And the best part? It's faster, cleaner, and more commercially focused than most image AIs out there. With Leonardo, your imagination becomes your portfolio. Pictory AI. Make videos without filming. Want to create stunning videos without recording a single clip? Meet Pictory AI, the tool that turns your text into professional videos in minutes. Just paste your script or blog post and boom. Pictory adds stock footage, voiceover, music, and captions, all automatically. It's perfect for YouTubers, marketers, freelancers, or anyone who wants to post content fast without editing skills. No camera, no mic, no editing, just your words turned into videos. This is content creation on autopilot. Try Pictory today. The future of content is here, and it's AI-powered. See you in the next video. Till then, make sure you subscribe our channel for latest AI updates.